Welcome to Fort Pulaski National Monument, a remarkable piece of history nestled on Cockspur Island between Savannah and Tybee Island in Georgia. Today we'll explore the captivating history, unique features, and extraordinary stories that make this fort a must-visit destination. Today, visitors to Fort Pulaski National Monument can explore the fort's extensive grounds, including its impressive moat, casemates, and the nearby visitor center. Here you'll learn more about the fort's history and the people who lived and fought within its walls. The fort offers guided tours, educational programs, and various events to help bring its rich history to life. Don't forget to check out the educational video inside the visitor center. Fort Pulaski was built between 1829 and 1847. Named after Count Casimir Pulaski, a Polish hero of the American Revolution. This massive five-sided structure was designed by French military engineer General Simon Bernard as part of a coastal fortification system. Its primary purpose was to protect the river approaches to Savannah during the 19th century. Fort Pulaski has an extensive network of casemates, which are vaulted chambers built within the fort's walls. The casemates were an essential part of the fort's defense system and were designed to provide additional protection for the soldiers during battles. The construction of the casemates required meticulous planning and engineering skills. The builders carefully excavated the earth to create the underground chambers and then used brick masonry to create the vaulted ceilings, walls, and archways. This process created a series of interconnected rooms that could house artillery pieces, ammunition, and the troops during times of conflict. Today, visitors to Fort Pulaski can explore these historic casemates and experience their unique atmosphere firsthand. As you wander through the dimly lit passageways and chambers, you get a sense of what life was like for the soldiers who once lived and worked within the fort's walls. The casemates offer a fascinating glimpse into Fort Pulaski's past and serve as a testament to the ingenuity of its builders. As you walk through these subterranean chambers, you'll not only appreciate the fort's rich history, but also the dedication and hard work of the men who made it possible. Be sure to include a tour of the casemates in your visit to Fort Pulaski, as it's an unforgettable experience that will transport you back in time. Here you can see the original tabby wall construction as it is starting to make its way known out of its reconstruction. It's truly amazing that these walls have held up for nearly 200 years. Let's take a moment just to appreciate the views of the grounds and the construction of these casemates. The construction of Fort Pulaski is a testament to the skill and ingenuity of its builders, with a staggering 25 million bricks used to create its imposing walls. These bricks were not only carefully sourced, but also meticulously laid to ensure the fort's strength and durability. As you explore the fort, take a closer look at the bricks and you may notice fingerprints left behind by the enslaved workers who made them. These marks serve as a poignant reminder of the individuals who toiled to construct this remarkable structure. Additionally, keep an eye out for a brick with a dog's paw print dating back to the 1800s. The intricate brickwork of Fort Pulaski is a marvel of engineering and enduring presence of these fingerprints and dog paw add a human touch to the fort's rich history. The use of bricks in Fort Pulaski's construction was a departure from the traditional stonemasonry used in many other forts of the era. During its active years, Fort Pulaski housed a garrison of soldiers who lived and worked within its walls. Daily life for these soldiers was marked by routine tasks, training, and a camaraderie of living in close quarters. Visitors to the fort can explore the restored living quarters, kitchen, and other areas that provide insight into the daily lives of the soldiers who called Fort Pulaski their home. Fort Pulaski played a significant role in the American Civil War, with the Union Army laying siege to the fort in 1862. This event marked a turning point in military history, as the Union's innovative use of rifled cannons proved devastatingly effective against the fort's once impenetrable walls. The siege lasted for 30 hours, forcing the Confederate garrison to surrender and demonstrating the power of new technologies in warfare. During reconstruction, the decision was made to leave this section of the fort not covered so that you could really see the foundations and the way that they had built the structure. What makes this most impressive is despite being built in the 19th century and enduring years of wear, tear, and even fierce battle, the foundation has held firm and remains remarkably stable to this day. In addition to its historical significance, Fort Pulaski is located on Cockspur Island, which boasts a diverse array of flora and fauna. Visitors can explore the island's many natural trails and discover its unique ecosystem. The island is an ideal spot for bird watching, with over 200 species of birds having been identified here. You can also see the beautiful lighthouse, which you can learn more upon your visit. As you explore Fort Pulaski, you'll notice the remnants of its tumultuous past. Look closely and you'll spot cannonballs still lodged in the walls from battles long ago. These scars serve as reminders of the fort's role in American history and the sacrifices made by those who fought here. Many visitors are fascinated by these reminders of the fort's past and incredible resilience of its construction. We were told that there are 8 remaining cannonballs within these walls. As you walk around the outer walls of Fort Pulaski, take a moment to imagine the deafening sound of cannonballs striking the fort's walls during the Union siege. Put yourself in the shoes of the soldiers who manned the fort and consider the fear and uncertainty they must have felt as the relentless bombardment raged on for 30 straight hours. Each pockmark you see on the fort's exterior is a testament to the ferocity of the battle and marks the exact spot where a cannonball struck. The two-toned coloration is a result of the Union Army's reconstruction of the walls they breached, making the fort's history tangible and visible to modern-day visitors. As we conclude our journey through Fort Pulaski's fascinating history, we're reminded of the incredible stories and lessons this site has to offer. If you're ever in the Savannah area, don't miss the opportunity to visit this remarkable piece of American history and experience its captivating stories for yourself. We hope this tour has provided you with a deeper appreciation of Fort Pulaski and the events that shaped its past. If you have junior rangers, make sure that they complete the junior ranger program and receive their badge, just like our junior rangers have.
I also promise to tell my friends and family all that I have learned. I also promise to make my bed and eat my vegetables.
Thank you for following our journey, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more things along our path. And don't forget, wander less, wander more, wonderfully wander.